How to disconnect YouTube from TV. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can disconnect YouTube from TV. Well, in order to disconnect YouTube from TV, what you can do is first you can open up the YouTube application on your mobile. Now here on your mobile device, if you open up the app, what you can do is you can head over to your profile. Make sure that you're logged into the account that you are logged in on TV as well. So you can tap on switch account and you can switch to the same account, or you can add an account to that particular account. Once you have done so, once you're logged in here on your profile, you'll see right there, you want to tap on the Google account tab here option. Once you tap on Google account tab here, you'll be able to see various options, right? So you can see personal info, security, sign in, password manager, your devices. Tap on your devices. Once you tap on your devices here, you'll be able to see every devices that your account is logged in on. You can tap on the particular device there. You can select the particular device. It'll ask you for your password, enter in your password, and you'll get the option to log out that particular device. Tap on log out and it'll be logged out your Google account in whole as well as your YouTube account. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.